To figure out which selection was made, you will need to loop through each radio button to see which one has a checked attribute. Use a for of loop for, okay, variable. Wait, let's get it back later. Use a for of loop to loop through each of the score inputs. Okay. The variable name for the for of loop should be called radio button. So the for of loop actually looks like this. For, and then it would be here the condition and variable var of collection. So the for of loop, the variable would be the radio button. The collection would be the score inputs. Oops, we forgot to write the const. Why? Because writing const or let, but in our case I would be writing const because const actually produces less errors because it is consistent, as you can see, for the value. And then the variable would be the name of the collection score inputs. The collections could be arrays, list, and as such, the radio button only suggests or what it defines is just it will loop or iterate through this current element. This is actually the current element of the collection score inputs. So that would be it. Peace.